Hi, I'm Mark. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install new fuel lines in your chainsaw. With the fuel line assembly removed from the saw, now I can replace each of the lines. When the saw uses a rubber grommet like this, I like to replace the grommet as well, because if the fuel lines are worn out, likely the grommet is as well. So I'll start with a new grommet, and I'll replace each of the lines one at a time. I'll start with the return line. I'll apply some 2-cycle oil to the fuel line. This will make it easier to fish it through the grommet. Now on the feed line, there's a plastic nipple that passes through the grommet. I'll remove the old one from the old assembly and transfer it to the new. I'll install the new in-tank line. Now I'm going to pass the plastic nipple through the grommet, again using a little more 2-cycle oil to lubricate it. Now insert this line through the grommet. And pull the plastic nipple down so the center portion is flush with the grommet. And now I can install the other half of the feed line. Now I can install this assembly back into the saw. And again, I'll use some of that 2-cycle oil to lubricate the grommet. I'll insert the fuel line into the tank. And then carefully work the grommet into place. And I'll install the fuel lines onto the purge bulb. And now reinstall the fuel filter. Place the clamp onto the end of the fuel line and insert the filter into the fuel line. And I'll place the fuel filter back into the tank and reinstall the fuel cap. And I'll finish by reinstalling the top cover. And that's all it takes to install new fuel lines in your chainsaw.